I've been wanting to try my hand at wood carving for a while now, and before I get started I need to make a carver's mallet. So in a previous video I made this other mallet, this one here, and this is not a carver's mallet. This one is really designed to be able to hit in one solid direction very consistently, and it's got a big head that makes it easy to hit really hard or even to do light taps, kind of relying on the weight of the mallet. The problem is when you're wood carving, you need to move that chisel around, and using this big heavy flat surface against it is a little more problematic. A carver's mallet looks more like this. It's a lot smaller and it's round. So when you're working with your carving tools, you can keep tapping it no matter what angle you need to move at. And that makes it a lot more useful. It also has a small shape that lets you hold just the head of it, so you can tap like this. And mine, I created this little indentation underneath so that my finger and thumb can ride right up against that for when I need to hit from further back. This carver's mallet turned out really well. I am happy with it. The shape of it's great, the weight of it's great, the size is perfect for my use, and I'm eager to get started with it. If I were to change one thing about it, it would just be the size of these dark purple heart pieces here. I wasn't really sure how big I was going to make it, so I just kind of went by feel and kept checking it with my hand to see until it felt like it was the right size, which ended up making these purple heart pieces a lot thinner, and it doesn't quite feel visually balanced to me, but hey, it's a shop tool and it's going to work and hopefully be a lot of fun.